Standard Python code runs line by line. When making network requests or querying databases, your code blocks and waits. Today we're diving into async.io Python built-in library for non-blocking. Concurrent programming. Let's look at how coroutines work. Define a function with async def creates a coroutine. Using await yields control back to the event loop while waiting for I/O operations, allowing other code to run in the meantime. Look at the code. Defining a coroutine using async def. Okay. Excuse me. And we yield control to the event loop using non-blocking sleep. Do not use time.sleep here, that blocks the entire thread. And let's print. Okay. To run coroutines currently, wrap them into tasks using asyncio.create task. We can then use asyncio.gather to execute them simultaneously and collect all results. Look at the code. First, import library, then and print. Okay, return. Wrap coroutines into background task using create task. Okay, use asyncio.gather to await all tasks concurrently and collect results in order. Okay. Okay. And run. Okay, let's run. And run. Excuse me. Okay. Task can be checked for completion or cancelled using task.cancel. Handle asyncio.canceled error inside your coroutines to release resource properly when a task times out. Look at the code here. Except Okay. Wait for 1.5 seconds, then cancel if it hasn't completed. And excuse me. Okay, try. Accept. And let's print. And let's run. Okay, let's run. Excuse me. Okay, run it. Look at the output. Okay. For production systems, combine async comprehensions with asyncio.wait to manage sets of completed and pending tasks, allowing you to catch individual errors safely. Look at the code first. Import library. Then excuse me. Okay. Let's return. And async comprehensions to spin up 5 worker dynamically. Use asyncio.wait to manage completed vs pending sets. Okay. Excuse me. Okay. And let's print. Let's print. And number 3, extract results safely while logging error. Else. Okay, and let's run. Let's run. Okay. Printed. Remember, don't use blocking libraries inside async code. Creates task for background work and handle error per task. Like and subscribe for more code tutorials.